my name is Linnea Froning. Picture it, 624 million cups of coffee a day. According to the article, Caffeine for Your Health, Too Good to Be True, that's about 3 cups per coffee drinker in the US, where there's 83% of adults can't imagine life without their favorite cup of Java. Coffee and/or caffeine has shown to improve health and reduce risks for certain diseases, but it also has been shown to have some negative impacts on a person. So, what is coffee? Here we have a good old cup of joe. It's a beverage made by percolation, infusion, or decoction from the roasted and ground seeds of a coffee plant. Coffee is a lifesaver for college students. It helps stay awake and is a healthier form of caffeine than modern-day energy drinks that are full of sugar. Personally, I have been drinking coffee for about 2 years. I started out drinking the sugary Starbucks drinks, and now I've gotten to the point where I drink the black coffee, and I like it for that extra boost in the morning. Many of us already drink coffee to stay awake and get through the day. Because this is a daily staple for many people, it's important to know what coffee and caffeine consumption all entails. Coffee improves overall health. According to the article on rush.edu called Health Benefits of Coffee, an analysis of nearly 220 studies on coffee found that coffee drinkers were 17% less likely to die from any cause, 19% less likely to die of heart disease, and 18% less likely to develop cancer than those who don't drink coffee. In the same article, data from 36 different studies showed that people who drink 3 to 5 cups of coffee per day had a lower risk of heart disease than those who don't drink coffee or drink more than 5 cups per day. The reasoning behind this isn't quite clear. However, one possibility is that coffee helps to improve blood vessels control over blood flow and blood pressure. Caffeine helps relieve headaches by causing the blood vessels to constrict, which may help relieve some headache pain. Coffee and caffeine help reduce risks of diseases. According to an article done by Michigan State University called Health Benefits and Risks Associated with Caffeine, research indicates that caffeine may help protect human brain cells, which lowers the risk of developing Parkinson's. A 2014 study done by Harvard researchers published in the Diabetologica tracked nearly 124,000 people for 16 to 20 years. Those who increased their coffee intake by more than 1 cup a day over a 4-year period had an 11% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Those who decreased their intake by 1 cup per day had a 17% higher risk of developing these diseases. Another study looked at the coffee drinking habits of more than 447,000 people over 10 years. The researchers found that those who drank 4 or more cups of caffeinated coffee each day had a 20% lower risk of developing melanoma than people who drank decaffeinated coffee or no coffee. Risks of coffee and caffeine consumption. While we have focused on all the good coffee and caffeine can do, there are always going to be drawbacks to every good thing. According to caffeineinformer.com, a safe caffeine limit is the limit of caffeine a person can consume without experiencing any negative caffeine overdose symptoms. Daily consumption of caffeinated drinks can increase blood sugar levels, which can cause problems for those with diabetes. And here we have some 5 surprising facts, reasons you should drink coffee every day. Coffee can cause esophageal cancer. World Health Organization has been raising concern that drinking coffee or other drinks at a higher temp than 149 degrees may increase the risk of esophageal cancer. However, they said that drinking that hot of coffee is highly unusual for most coffee drinkers. There may be some also minor effects such as impairing sleep, speedy or jittery feeling, and can cause anxiety. Heartburn and frequent urination are also problematic for some coffee drinkers. There is also significant association between drinking caffeinated drinks and coffee and the decrease of bone mineral density, which can lead to osteoporosis. Coffee and caffeine can impact health in a good way by reducing risks of major diseases, promote some organ health, and can help with headaches. Just like with anything else, there are drawbacks such as sleep problems from drinking too late in the day, osteoporosis, and increase in blood sugar levels. I drink coffee for the taste and the boost in the morning and mid-afternoon. Coffee in moderation won't harm you and can help keep you healthy. In conclusion, life is short. Enjoy your coffee.